today we have a table full of dominoes. What exactly are we doing? Well, we're making a domino circle. So like a round circle around the table. So, I mean, that's the plan. That's the plan. Will this work? Will this plan work? Well, let's start building it first. So, we need to make a round surface. So, and then the important thing is that dominoes, it's very hard to make them because sometimes dominoes don't fall in the way you want them to. Making curves is actually very hard. So if you want to make like a square, you'd have to you won't get a perfect 90 degrees angle. You just get a round 90 degrees angle. So that's how dominoes basically work. You can't suddenly turn. So that's the very big problem. And there's also another problem. It's that dominoes, they don't really, wait. That's the second problem. So they want to fall. Well, yeah, they want to fall. Yeah, yeah, that's exactly
Domino. One.
So, and then we also need to make sure we don't have a too big of a gap, because then the dominoes, if we have a too big gap, then the dominoes will fall like this and not hit this one. So we need not to make a big gap. But we do need to make a large enough gap so that the end of this domino hits this domino. We don't want to make a small gap, because then it will hit its side. So it doesn't have much force. So let me experiment a little. Maybe if we have,
I think I'm going to make a heart.
Like 4 dominoes. Will this work? Okay, that worked. But yeah, it doesn't have a lot of force. So you need to make sure the domino hits like this. Oh my god, we're already finishing the circle. We need to make it round. Oop, be careful. At the end of this video, we're going to knock the dominoes down, and then we'll show it in slow motion.
And another hard part, you can't put your arm onto the table. It'll go down.
Then the dominoes will rock back and forth.
Yeah.
So, are we making a circle or a heart?
I don't know. You're making a circle.
Okay, then
I think
we need to.
I am going to make a heart.
Wait, so this needs to turn a bit more like Okay?
I said you do.
I don't know. Okay. Start over.
Okay.
This. So we're filling in these gaps, and we made these gaps because they're the safety gaps. So in case if the dominoes fall, we make sure that the safety gap is where the dominoes stop falling. So okay. Maybe we should. 1, 2, 3. That's sort of a success. Sort of.
Maybe we get another domino.
So, our first domino project, it's kind of a fail, but we can always make another domino project. So
see you next time. And